Scientists confront difficult ethical questions when deciding how to act responsibly. This responsibility stems from the societal support they receive for their education and research. One of the first challenges is problem selection. This involves choosing what to investigate and what not to, a choice that can have profound societal implications. The second challenge relates to publication and data sharing. Scientists must navigate the balance between openness and the potential for misuse of their findings. The third category of dilemmas involves engaging society. Scientists must decide how and when to communicate their findings, considering both the potential benefits and the risks of misinterpretation or misuse. These dilemmas highlight the inherent responsibility of scientists to society. It's crucial for them to handle these challenges thoughtfully, given the potential societal impacts of their work. Making the right decisions in these areas is key to conducting science responsibly and ethically. Ignoring the value implications of scientific work can be seen as irresponsible. Now, let's delve into this. Scientists, in the course of their work, often encounter non-epistemic values. These are values that aren't purely about knowledge or facts. They could be ethical, social, or cultural values that are deeply woven into the fabric of our society. Does this mean scientists should become advocates for particular values or follow specific ethical theories? Not at all. The beauty of science lies in its objectivity, but ignoring these non-epistemic values can lead to a disconnect between scientific advancements and societal acceptance. So how should scientists approach this? They should address these values differently based on their own value commitments. This doesn't mean promoting personal beliefs, but rather understanding and acknowledging the societal context in which their work operates. This nuanced approach can bridge the gap between scientific progress and societal values. Addressing these values is an important part of socially responsible science. Science often presents us with various ethical dilemmas. Let's delve into some examples. The use of human subjects in research, for instance, is a contentious issue. It raises questions about consent, risk, and the benefits that may or may not accrue to the subjects themselves. Then, there's the development of new technologies, like artificial intelligence or genetic editing tools. These can have far-reaching societal impacts, affecting everything from jobs to our very concept of what it means to be human. And let's not forget the delicate balance between scientific progress and societal values. Should we pursue all avenues of research simply because we can, or are there certain lines we shouldn't cross, even in the name of progress? These dilemmas require careful consideration and ethical decision-making. It's a challenging task, but one that is essential to ensure that science serves the best interests of society as a whole. Ethics play a crucial role in conducting scientific research. It's not enough to simply make new discoveries or develop innovative technologies. Scientists must also consider the potential consequences of their work. The application of ethics in science involves a careful balance, weighing the benefits of progress against the risks of unforeseen outcomes. Think of it like this. When a chef creates a new dish, they don't just throw ingredients together. They consider how those ingredients will interact, how the dish will taste, and how it will affect the people who eat it. Similarly, scientists must think about how their research will interact with society and how it will affect the people who are impacted by it. Making decisions that benefit society as a whole is a key part of this process. This includes considering the economic, social, and environmental impacts of their work. By doing so, they help to ensure that science progresses in a responsible and ethical manner. Bioethics integrates ethical principles into biomedical research. This statement sets the stage for the pivotal role of bioethics in research. By weaving ethics into the very fabric of research design, bioethics ensures that the pursuit of knowledge doesn't compromise human dignity or societal values. Bioethics strengthens research by encouraging scientists to consider the potential implications of their work on society. It promotes a culture of inclusivity, advocating for the consideration of participant, stakeholder, and societal values. This inclusive approach fosters a more holistic understanding of the potential impacts of research. Furthermore, bioethics engenders trust in the research process. It reassures society that the scientific community is not only dedicated to discovery, but also committed to upholding ethical standards. This trust is essential for the continued support and acceptance of scientific advancements. In conclusion, bioethics plays a vital role in advancing science responsibly. It ensures that as we push the boundaries of knowledge, we do so with integrity, respect, and a deep sense of responsibility towards society.